Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy F23 and you don't have the pin, so you can't do it from the phone being on because you're locked out of it. You can do this with the phone being powered off. All we're going to do is we're going to come in here. But by the way, once you do this, it will erase everything and your phone will be like it came out of the box. So all your contacts, photos, apps, everything will be gone. But if you're ready to do that, you can just, with it turned off and plugged in, you should plug it into the computer. Then you're going to press and hold the volume up and the power button and just continue to hold that volume up and power button until it vibrates to turn on. And when it vibrates to turn on, it will vibrate, it will go into this recovery menu. And using the volume keys, you can toggle through, and you're going to toggle through to wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to confirm that. Once you do that, you're going to toggle through this confirmation page. This cannot be undone. Toggle down to factory data reset. Once you hit the power key, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted off the phone, and it will be like a brand new phone. So if you confirm that, it'll take a little bit. Then you can reboot it, and it will turn on like it did when you took it out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.